Welcome back to the 12 Days of Christmas, hosted by Rustic and Lace DIY and Molly Cole Creations. Today is the 9th day of Christmas. Today is all about counting down the days till Christmas. I'm going to be using some children's blocks that I got at a thrift store, and I'm going to be painting these two blocks with Waverly chalk paint and plaster. I did give them 2 coats. Next 2 blocks are a different shape and size than the first 2, and I'm going to be painting the longer one in Fern chalk paint by Waverly and the smaller one in Crimson by Waverly. While the red and green block dry, I'm going to print off a graphic from Graphics Fairy on a piece of tissue paper, and I taped the tissue paper to a regular piece of paper and fed it through my printer and printed out the graphic. I did give the front side of the red block a coat of white chalk paint so that I could apply this graphic. I'm going to be using the iron-on method for this project. Using a foam brush, I'm going to apply the Mod Podge and then I'm going to let it completely dry. I placed down my beautiful graphic and then covered it with a piece of Teflon and applied my iron. The heat from the iron reactivates the Mod Podge and helps the graphic to adhere to the piece of wood with no wrinkles. While that cools down, I'm going to apply these rub-on transfers onto the 2 blocks. So I'm using the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 on the first block. The second block will get 6, 7, 8, and 0, 1, 2. The 6 can also be used as the 9. Now that the red block has cooled, I'm going to sand down the edges of the paper and remove the excess. I decided to go ahead and sand down the edges to all the blocks. The third transfer method today is going to be using my Cricut Joy. I did cut these letters out on my Cricut Joy. Again, you could use stickers or a marker or rub-on transfers for this as well. You could choose any image you want on the little Santa Claus block. You could make this for Easter or Thanksgiving or birthday time, anything like that I think would be fabulous. Thanks again to Brenda and Amanda. Be sure and join us again tomorrow for the 10th day of Christmas. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to share the chic. Bye now.